What if you could catch accessibility issues even before your code ever leaves your machine? BrowserStack MCP Server now enables you to scan and fix accessibility issues directly in your development workflow. I'm building a sign-in page. Let's ask Copilot to run an accessibility check. Copilot connects to the MCP server and scans the local code in real time. Done. 6 accessibility issues found, things I would totally have missed until much later. Now watch this. Instead of switching context, I'll just ask Copilot to fix them. Behind the scenes, BrowserStack's Spectra rule engine pinpoints the root cause and guides Copilot to suggest precise code-level fixes. Accept all with one click and instantly validate the fix. That's it. All accessibility issues gone before I even hit commit. With BrowserStack MCP Server, accessibility becomes part of how you build, not a checklist or an afterthought. It's open source, it's developer first, and it's live on GitHub. Explore BrowserStack MCP Server today. Thanks for watching and happy testing.